A warm welcome to all of you at the Salgaocar Institute of International Hospitality Management. I am Irfan Mirza, the Director Principal of this institute, and today is a very special day for us because we are celebrating VIVA Tourism, World Tourism Day, along with Fundação Oriente in Goa, and with me, the Director, Paulo Gomes of Fundação Oriente. It is his initiative to do something along with us to conduct this World Tourism Day for the young people studying in various different schools in Goa. We have near about 330 students from 18 different schools, and we have organized various activities for them, starting from the bakery, cookery, fine dining service, mocktail, flower arrangements, bed making, and some sports and games. It is a one full day program ending with a Zumba for them, and it is a great privilege to be associated with Fundação Oriente, and we have been working together for last so many years. We have done many different activities, focusing more on the young people of Goa. I also take this opportunity to inform you, last week FHRA, that's the body of hotels and restaurants of India, awarded us the best hotel management institute in India. It was a proud moment, so I would like to share this here now. Again, once again, Paulo Gomes, thank you so much for your support.
My pleasure. So I will start from the hand, just to congratulate Professor Irfan Mirza and all of this team for the beautiful award that you received last week. It was not a surprise for me because we have been associated during the last 3 years, and I can see the efforts, the quality of your institute, not only in terms of the premises, but in terms of the human resources and your teachers, all of your team. And all of your students. We can see when I came here, their respect for the client, the way that they always receive us. So many congratulations. The challenge now is to maintain. This quality. Regarding this event, the idea was to give a different day to the Goan youth on occasion of the World Tourism Day, to create a space where the students can work together in different fields, different activities. And I would like to thank once again Professor Mirza because he accepted immediately after the challenge, and today we have almost 350 students along with your institute, of course your team, and so far I can see happiness and the youth working and playing together, and this is the most important thing, because I think it's important to organize and to put together this kind of events, to allow them to have a different day and to know the reality of the hospitality and tourism in Goa, because the tourism in Goa is very important, so they will know more, but being in the center of the action, so doing their kitchen classes, pastry classes, and everything related with hospitality. So once again, thank you so much. And as you know, I don't need to tell it again, it's a pleasure to Fundação Oriente to be associated with the institute.
Thank you once again. Hope we will organize again in the future.
We will.
Similar events. Once again, thank you.
My name is Alitya Barasho. I'm the Counselor and Event Manager at Salgaocar Institute of International Hospitality Education. And today, in collaboration with Fundação Oriente, we are hosting nearly around 353 students from different schools and higher secondaries at our institute to celebrate the World Tourism and World Youth Day here. So we have a range of activities like table etiquettes, cocktail sessions, mocktail sessions, bakery, kitchen workshops, towel art, and flower arrangement, where the students are exposed to the hospitality industry, and they know how our institute functions, and so that they can understand what hospitality truly is on the World Tourism Day.
Hi everyone, this is Chef Sangeeta. I'm the Assistant Professor Culinary at VMSIIHE. Our institute had projected a wonderful initiative which has been taken for all schools around Goa. today we celebrate the World Tourism Day, and we wanted, why our students as a hospitality student should celebrate alone? Why cannot have everybody around Goa? The new future of our country should be there around to know what is World Tourism Day. So on this celebration, we included them with different activities like cooking, bakery, wellness. We teach them etiquettes, learning of mocktail, learning of cocktail names, all this. So there are few activities which been kept all over the day. We will be here till 5 in the evening, where we'll try our best to make sure the students around Goa learn the hospitality aspects. And we wish them all the best from the team VMSIIHE, and we celebrate all together a very happy World Tourism Day. Thank you.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.